The one signal that has triggered before every single Bitcoin parabolic run in history just fired, and most holders having absolutely no idea what is actually happening right now, because oil just bottomed out, and every single time this happened before, Bitcoin went fully parabolic within the next month. And this is the exact reason I have been opening up a massive position on Bitcoin. I will deep dive into the exact setup I am trading on Bitcoin, but first of all, I would really appreciate you guys to follow me over on X, and most importantly to subscribe over on my YouTube channel and like this daily update video if you love those updates. And let's dive right away into the content for now, because this chart is really exciting. If we look at the oil chart on the top right over here, we can see that this oil eventually going down here. That is exactly where bear markets start for Bitcoin, and when the Bitcoin price is going down even lower. And when oil almost bottoms out, Bitcoin start to rally towards the upside as well. Of course, this chart is not really accurate. It could be a deficit of a few months before Bitcoin moves. We have seen it before, like here the top was in, and after that the top was in on Bitcoin as well. But right over here the bottom was pretty close to each other, and oil started to rise towards the upside, and so does Bitcoin, exactly as predicted. Also here at the top, that was the exact moment Bitcoin topped out and the next rally towards the downside started, exactly the same as this bottom. Bitcoin almost bottomed out exactly at the same time oil did, and oil moved towards the upside like crazy, and that was the point where Bitcoin started to rally towards the upside 100%, and right here we saw a 7.7% gain. Right here oil topped out again, and we saw a move of 50% down, and right here we saw a move on 73% down on Bitcoin as well. But right now it's pretty exciting to see, because we are currently creating a bottom on oil as well, and that could lead for a bottom on Bitcoin as well, and we are not seeing a real rally for oil. One thing is really important to know: it's not on the exact same time. So Bitcoin is usually lagging towards the bottom of oil. So it could take a few moments before Bitcoin really reacts here. And why is this so important? Oil is a really big indicator of the economy, and of course inflation, which I talked about in yesterday's video. Right now what we actually can see is if oil is going up, the economy is going down and inflation is going up as well. And that is not what we want to see, and that is where Bitcoin comes into place. Because if inflation is pretty high, Bitcoin is the best hedge against inflation, and that is usually where we see the rallies towards the upside getting started. Like I said, I have been opening up a massive position on Bitcoin, because also if you look at the lower time frame, Bitcoin is getting more bullish and bullish by the day here. We have been calling the compression for over a month here, and we have been finally breaking out last week. Right now we have been perfectly retesting this breakout. I said it is really important to break the point of control. Yesterday we have been perfectly bouncing from a value area low, and right now we have been perfectly retesting value area high, and this could lead for the next expansion towards the upside. And the most beautiful part about this trade that I'm gonna show you in a minute, that I have been calling it over in my daily update videos and in my free Telegram group, but still some more value towards the trade I have been opening up. Like I said, here is on the longer term time frame. When oil is going up, Bitcoin will go up as well due to some inflation and macro things. But an interesting fact, and it sounds crazy, but for now on the lower time frame, is oil going up? That means that crypto and Bitcoin is going down, and when oil is going down, crypto is going up. In the last few days, when we saw oil run from March 6 towards March 9, that was exactly where Bitcoin was going down, and right now oil is having a massive dump once again, and we see Bitcoin pumping towards the upside. So this is a correlation that is really important to know. We really want to see oil going down in this week and coming weeks, because probably if oil is going up once again, Bitcoin will go down even lower. So I am keeping my eyes really close on the lower time frame charts of oil as well. So right now we have been seeing a sell-off here on oil, and that is exactly why I'm convinced in my trading setup, because I've been showing this trading setup even in a very big loss. 2 days ago, I was in a loss of approximately $8,000, and right now I am up 16K on this trade. I have been opening up this trade in my free Telegram group here and also in my daily update videos, because I opened up this trade, I showed it when I was in a massive loss, fully transparent. And right now I'm also showing that I'm in a very big profit here, because I had faith, and literally every single daily update video I have been calling and showing this trade. And right now it's printing, and everyone said that I was crazy to long Bitcoin at the point I did. And right now I'm in a massive profit here over on Bitcoin. Like I said, I have been sharing this trade before it even happened over in my free Telegram group, and tomorrow I will just post another deep dive into the market where a new trading setup will come, and I will call every single trading setup that is unfolding in the market right now. And the most beautiful part is it is completely free to join, so please make sure to join the free Telegram community with the first link in the description, because like I said, I have been calling this move right over there, and every single person in the community have been printing with this move. Everyone was in fear, and we just pulled the trigger, and we were pulling the trade and opening up trades with the money, fully transparent in the daily update video. So right now I'm taking my gram here, and I am in a very big profit. I was also, and you can literally watch back my daily update videos, that I was also showing when I was in a big loss. So right now we are running in a big profit here, and some really important data as well that I'm taking with me with this trade is that the on-chain volume is in historical lows, and this is exactly why you should paying attention right now, because every single time we were at these lows, that was where a massive expansion came from. And this is exactly where everyone is fading out of the market, and where I want to be in the market as well, because this is usually calm before the storm, and the next rally on Bitcoin will start fairly soon. And I am prepared for this move. Like you have been seeing, I have been stopping my stop loss above my entry, so I can't lose on this trade. I took already 2,000 USDT out, and right now I'm planning to take some more out around the $71.7 thousand, and the rest I will let it run into massive profits. If the next move is unfolding over on Bitcoin, you will be the first one to notice. But one thing is very important: you need to join my free Telegram group with the first link in the description, and you need to be subscribed over on my YouTube channel, because we have been literally calling this trade all live here before it even happened. The next time and next days for Bitcoin are gonna be very exciting, and of course with such a big trade open like this, it is very important to watch the market closely, because the chances and opportunities are flying around our ears. So please make sure to be sharp in the market right now, because things are heating up on Bitcoin. And I will see you tomorrow by a brand new Crypto Daily Update video.